Hello everyone. As you can see on the screen, this is what we built for our final project, which is a portable scientific calculator app that you can install on your phone and help you with the complicated calculations that you may encounter in your math and science class. As you can see on the screen, it can do all the things related to trigonometries. It can perform logarithms. It can, of course, do power and root. It can convert your data to percentage, natural logs, calculations related to pi, and also, of course, those simpler calculations. And you can manipulate these things you entered with this cancel button and this button, which you can delete a single character you entered. And I'll demonstrate to you all of those functions. Addition, minus, multiplication, division, and more complicated calculations like trigonometry, things related to pi, and arcsine, which is the reverse of those trig functions. If you want to convert your data to percentage, that is fine. And logs, natural log, which is something useful in all fields of science. Of course, power, root. Yeah, that's it. Though it's simple, it can solve most of the problems you encountered in scientific fields. As I said before, we built this because actually in your daily life you encounter simple calculations of tricks and logs from time to time, but you can't make sure that you always have your scientific calculator with you. So if you install this app on your phone, you can perform those calculations whenever you encounter them. And for our work division or our collaboration during the work, basically I did most of the UI design, and of course I record this video. And my partner she did most of the actual coding work, and we did encounter some technical difficulties in our work. One thing is that at first, what I supposed to do is to write out all those calculation functions as separate functions in the main activity class, but it turns out that it's almost impossible to do this, and of course, it's too much of workload. And so at last, we find an API called Java Router, with which we can do all those calculations, which is great. And also, I believe that we can further improve our project by endowing it with more functions to make it more powerful. For example, we can find more APIs or write out more functions so that it can do calculations in calculus, like derivative integration, and also like vectors, addition, minus, and dot and cross products of vectors, and also the more complicated things like curls and divergence, which you encounter frequently in engineering, mechanics, and physics. I believe if we can add all those functions to this app, it can truly serve as a substitute for the existing scientific calculators like TI-84, which you have to spend a lot to buy, and it may run out of charge, and you may forget to browse them. So if this can truly have all those functions, you can instead use this for your scientific calculation, which is something great. Yeah, this is all of what we have, and thank you for watching this demonstration.